The chaos of religion, the hatred, the war, the anger, the restlessness in religion has caged us in the bitterness of self. Don't you think we need a better religion? Religion of peace and love, a religion of Rumi, a Sufi saint, a religion more soulful and more silent, because God speaks in silence, because our soul unfolds itself in silence. Let the silence be our religion, and let the amalgamation of self and selfless happen in silence. Lose yourself. Lose yourself in this love. When you lose yourself in this love, you will find everything. Do not fear this loss, for you will rise from the earth and embrace the endless heavens. Lose yourself. Lose yourself. Escape from this earthly form, for this body is a chain, and you are its prisoner. Smash through the prison wall and walk outside with the kings and the princes. Lose yourself. Lose yourself at the foot of the glorious King. When you lose yourself before the King, you will become the King. Lose yourself. Lose yourself. Escape from the black cloud that surrounds you. Then you will see your own light as radiant as the full moon. Now, enter that silence. This is the surest way to lose yourself. What is your life about anyway? Nothing but a struggle to be someone. Nothing but a running up from your own silence. A guide has entered this life in silence. His message is only heard in silence. Take a sip of his precious wine and lose yourself. Don't insult the greatness of his love, for he helps all those who suffer in silence. Polish the mirror between the breaths. Go with him beyond words. He knows your every deed. He is the one who moves the wheel of heaven in silence. Every thought is buried in your heart. He will reveal them one by one in silence. Turn each of your thought into a bird and let them fly to the other world. One is an owl, one is a falcon, one is a crow. Each one is different from the other, but they are all the same in silence. To see the moon that cannot be seen, turn your eyes inward and look at yourself in silence. In this world and the next, don't talk about this and that. Let him show you everything, shining as one, in silence. I feel that silence is more powerful than words. Words divides us, but silence unites us. Silence is the language of universe through which nature speaks to us silently, very silently.